Hello, hello mga kaibigan. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Saying Pun. Ito po ay makikita sa loob ng MTR ng Saying Pun. So kung magpay kayo ng MTR, makikita niyo po itong old history ng Hong Kong and how Hong Kong develops. Kasi ito po yung old Hong Kong history spans from prehistoric times as a fishing and farming area to its incorporations into an imperial China. So eventually becoming a British colony after the First Opium War in 1842. Before British rule, it was traditional society, part of Xi'an County, and later developed into an important free port under British rule. And so, under British rule, Hong Kong transformed from a small fishing village into a major trading port and a center for industrialization. So makikita niyo po yung mga nagtitinda po dyan ng mga teas, yung mga tea leaves na mga fermented. Tapos ito kasi fishing village po yung Hong Kong dati, so marami pong mga seafoods product, mga dried food products. And dito po nakikita niyo po ito yung paggawa ng escalator from Central Market going to the mid-level. So this is the historic sites from this period includes a Pottinger Street named after the first governor, Sir Henry Pottinger, which was once a boundary between British and local living areas. So as you see, the development structures of European influences, such as the development structures with European and the Samsoy Services Reservoir, which is Roman-style architectures, explain. So guys, dyan niyo po makikita how Hong Kong develops to a new era now. That's all. Bye! So, sa gustong pumunta po dito sa Saying Pun, pumasok lang po kayo sa MTR at lumabas kayo ng